Hi everyone, Rohit here from Connect.
Today we'll be unboxing the latest iPad product from Apple, the iPad Pro 2nd generation. Let's get to it. The model that I've purchased is 11-inch 128GB Space Gray Wi-Fi only variant. The box contains 2nd gen iPad Pro, some paperwork, stickers, and a Type-C charging cable and a 18-watt Type-C power adapter. The 2nd gen iPad Pro comes in two different sizes, 11-inch and 12.9-inch, with 4 different storage variants. The 2nd generation iPad Pro comes with 2 cameras at the back, 12-megapixel wide camera and the all-new 10-megapixel ultra-wide camera that can record 4K video recording at 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second or even 60 frames per second. It also comes with a new LiDAR sensor that lets you determine the depth or the distance of an object. That's great for measuring apps, AR and gaming apps. Here we have the magnetic strip for the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. We have a 7-megapixel true depth front facing camera on the top along with the very secure Face ID sensor. We have studio quality level 1 microphone on the left side, right side is the volume rocker keys and power key on the top. There are 4 speakers in total, 2 speakers at the top along with 2 microphones, 2 more speakers at the bottom with USB-C charging port. The iPad Pro display has a rounded corners that follows a beautiful curved design. The screen just looks and feels amazing with the ProMotion technology, that's 120Hz refresh rate, feels very smooth and very responsive. The display comes with a 600 nits brightness with the anti-reflection coating. Here we have 2nd generation Apple Pencil that comes at 10,990 rupees, approx $129 US. Even the packaging has a very simple design to it. The classic Apple design, that's Apple logo on both the side, actual pencil representation on the top and some literature to the bottom of the box. The Apple Pencil is compatible with iPad Pro, either the 11-inch or 12.9-inch. The 2nd generation Apple Pencil attaches magnetically to the side of the iPad Pro. It supports wireless pairing and charging. It majorly acts as your extended hand or a mouse. The Apple Pencil feels very premium in your hand with the new seamless design and the matte finish. It feels as if you are holding a very costly pencil. The tip is tilt and pressure sensitive, which can be easily replaceable. I'll make a separate video explaining in detail regarding these products. Let's see it in action. Pardon me, my handwriting is very bad. As you can see, using Apple Pencil is very easy and simple. It'll be a great tool for drawing, note-taking and making up documents. The 2nd generation Apple Pencil is very intuitive and precise. You can just double tap to change between tools. Even when you are browsing over internet across multiple pages, the 2nd generation Apple Pencil is very responsive. Makes it easier to navigate across iPad, across pages and apps. Here we have a grip element case for iPad Pro 11-inch, a slim lightweight textured fabric that adds minimal weight. The interior part of the case comes with a soft microfiber and has a raised edge at the corner for anti-scratch screen protection. It's a 360-degree protective bumper hybrid case with a precision cutout for easy access to ports, buttons and camera. It also comes with a 2 built-in stand for hand-free viewing experience. It automatically wakes or puts off your device to sleep when the lid is opened and closed to maximize battery life. The case also has a built-in Apple Pencil holder at the bottom with a wireless charging at the top. Also comes with a 6 months replacement warranty against manufacturing defects only. All the details of the products and the link to purchase this product will be mentioned in the description. If you have enjoyed the video, please do like and share it. For more updates, do subscribe to my channel.